Welcome back to our channel Total Technology, and this is tutorial number 38, and today's topic will be match relationship. So in the last video we just spoke on, I think, only how to return using match, kind of simple an advanced topic, but there we haven't talked about or you haven't talked much about on relationship. From this tutorial onward we'll start doing some sort of hands-on and kind of simple use cases using the relationship topic. So first thing first, first one, as I told you, this is the first tutorial on the relationship, so I'll go very slowly, and after that I will dig deeper into the more advanced topics. So first topic is again very simple. Most of you already familiar, but those are actually watching or not feeling comfortable with the Neo4J topic, for them actually I'll be doing for kind of very slowly. So this thing will be for everyone. Like as I told you, this is for beginner to expert, so don't feel embarrassed, don't feel kind of weak that you are not able to understand or you are not cope up with the concept. So invest some sort of time, try to give some sort of effort to understand the concept, then you will feel okay. So this topic is match or relationship between nodes using Neo4j console. So very simple thing, how you can return all the relationship between available nodes from a graph. So first thing first, match n and the this, okay, and let's this p and return type of R. So this is going to return all the relationship available. So this is how it is. If you see like this, see Messi, Maradona, Ronaldo, so 4 different nodes, and if you return like this then P, then I think all the countries or club names will come. See like this. Okay, so in a table format, Messi played for Argentina, this is a relationship. Or if you can do in a differently, like N, then R, then P. If you don't use bracket, then also it is fine, but I'm just giving it. Okay, sorry. So I forgot to remove this, so this is going to be here actually. Okay, so Messi played for Argentina, Maradona played for Argentina, Ronaldo played for Portugal, Ronaldo played for again Real Madrid. So this is very simple, this is how it is. So you can see now how to deal with the relationship. So again, this is from let me increase the size actually. Okay, so this is from Cypher console, and now I'll do the same thing from Python. So let me open the ID. So okay, let's see. See, everything came. Like Messi played for Argentina, then again Maradona played for Argentina, then I think Ronaldo, yes, Ronaldo played for Portugal, and again Ronaldo played for Real Madrid. So this is how it is. So this is very simple. So as I told you guys, I'm just I have just started the tutorial for relationship topics, so it will be from very basic to advanced. So first 2 tutorial will be with very basic or very simple examples, so that you guys can understand the later or the advanced topic in the upcoming videos. So try to do some sort of practice, try to do some sort of hands-on, and if you get some sort of ideas or use cases, try to implement all those things. If you are finding any difficulties, just do let me know, because these tutorials are very tiny and very small. As you can see, only 3-4 minutes video, but again, don't try to skip those part, because this is very important. If you do not follow this tutorial, in the later part it will be difficult for you guys to understand. And I think I will upload this code and this part as well, so don't worry about that. So definitely I will try to upload the video by today only, and with the slides and codes. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. And if you have any question, doubt, you can always reach me out. And also if you have some sort of like feedback, suggestion, recommendation, you can also reach me out. I'll try to improve those part as well. And if you have some sort of like question regarding Neo4j or any other things, you can also reach me out. And if someone is watching our video for the first time, please do let us know. We'll try to send you our kind of tutorial or something if you are finding difficulties to understand from the video or tutorials. And meanwhile, before ending the topic, please do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also you can share our videos with your friends. So we really would like to reach to the larger audience base, so that we can reach to the larger number of people. That will indirectly or directly motivate us to do or better, or create some like good content for the community. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye, and have a nice week.